New court records released this week reveal disturbing descriptions of body camera footage showing the deadly attack of 43-year-old inmate Robert Brooks. We know that 13 correctional officers and a nurse have been implicated in his death. It happened here at Marcy Correctional Facility on December 9th. He was pronounced dead the following day. Details of this beating were laid out in a deposition released this week from Ryan Paparella, an investigator with the State Department of Corrections and Community Supervision. Paparella stated he reviewed the body camera that was worn by the officers involved at the time of the beating. In his deposition to state police, the investigator cites the footage, which reportedly captured Brooks on an examination table with his hands restrained behind his back. One officer began to strike him repeatedly as others watched. Soon after, other officers joined in, striking him in various areas of the body as other officers restrained him. The investigator described how two officers were seen, quote, using their hands to apply pressure to an unknown area of Brooks' upper body. At one point, the investigator said one of the officers could be seen giving Brooks a sternum rub, indicating that the inmate was likely unconscious. The investigator's deposition did not include a motive. Those who have watched the body camera footage described the assault as extremely disturbing. The union representing the officers involved saying in part, quote, when this footage is released to the public, it will undoubtedly draw comparisons to other high-profile incidents of violence involving law enforcement. This incident has the potential to make our correctional facilities even more violent, hostile, and unpredictable than ever before. The governor has already called for the immediate termination of the 14 people involved. The state attorney general's office is reviewing the case. AG Letitia James said in a statement over the weekend that she promises to release this footage once Brooks' family has had a chance to see it first. Sources close to the investigation tell us that this footage could be released as early as tomorrow. Now we'll continue to monitor this situation closely and bring you updates once available. Reporting in Marcy, I'm Brianna Supardi.